Value stream mapping is a process that helps companies see the big picture of their operations. It can help them identify and eliminate waste in their process. The end goal of a value stream map is to improve the flow of materials and information through the company. What is value stream mapping? Value stream mapping is a lean tool used to identify and visualize the flow of materials and information from supplier to customer. It can help identify waste and opportunities for improvement. The map includes all steps in the process, from the time the customer request is received to the time the product is delivered. The tool uses a series of symbols and colors to represent the different steps in the process and the amount of time it takes for each step. By identifying and addressing the sources of waste, businesses can improve efficiency and reduce costs. What is the end goal of a value stream map? A value stream map is a tool that can be used to help identify and improve the flow of materials and information within and between organizations. The end goal of a value stream map is to create a visual representation of the current state of the process and identify areas for improvement. The map can help to identify waste and inefficiencies and can be used to make decisions about how to improve the process. How to create a value stream map. I have created a complete tutorial on how to create a value stream map. You can find the link in the description below. What are the benefits of value stream mapping? Value stream mapping is a valuable tool that can be used to improve the efficiency of a process. By creating a map of the current process, it is possible to identify areas where improvements can be made and create a so-called future state map. The future state is the project of the improved value stream that the team has to realize in max 12 months. The benefits of using value stream mapping may include improved efficiency, improved quality, reduced waste, reduced lead time, improved customer satisfaction, reduced inventory. Conclusion. Value stream mapping can help companies eliminate waste and improve the flow of materials and information through their business. It is a valuable tool for businesses looking to improve their operations. This video defines value stream mapping and explains the benefits of using this tool to improve business operations. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you want to get in touch with the Lean community, read the description below.